Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. Today I am going to show you how to add border to fast page in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we create some page in this document. Press Ctrl Enter on your keyboard. Now zoom out this document to see the all page. Now we can see here many page. Now we want to put a border this first page. Go to the layout option, then click breaks, then click the next page. Then click first page, then go to the design menu, click the page border option. Then click box option and choose a border. Then click the apply to dialog box and select this section, then press OK. Now we can see we put it a border this first page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.